And paint tutorial number 1. This is how I decide, or this is how I envision when I do my drawing, when I do my art. Just general background, change direction, have a look, change direction, have a look, change direction, have a look. So from this perspective, I'm starting to see water. Okay, so my perspective is going to, so my perspective is going to be this. So the water I saw there, this will be a bank. So we turn it, there's my water, there's reeds over there, so there'll be like lilies, lily pads, grass verge, and that is tutorial number 1 on how to decide what to paint. See there, you can still see the water. Even if you turn it upside down now, you can still see the water because you have now achieved a perspective of what you're going to paint. Tutorial 1 done.